Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Who
Good
is
afternoon,
Ankit
ma'am.
Rai? Afternoon, beta. Who is Ankit Rai?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ankit Rai. किसमें से? Who is Ankit Rai? Tell. You are of which group?
On.
Does anyone knows?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we don't have any Ankit in our course, in our class.
कहाँ शेयर कर देते हैं आप लोग लिंक क्लास की?
मैम हम लोग क्लास में है पर वो सेकंड ग्रुप फर्स्ट ग्रुप का है, वो नहीं आता है ज्यादा।
ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं।
कौन सा है ये? हाँ तो यही यूज कर लेते हैं ना मैम, क्या करना है? यही वाला सही। बट टॉपिक कवर्ड ओनली कम्युनिकेशन।
कल हम लोग कर लेते हैं।
नहीं अभी आज दे देते हैं
आज
मैम
मेरी
करके।
ना घर पे क्लास थी, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मेरी डांस
Which class? At what time?
करके कल
अब कल फिर आना पड़ेगा फिर कॉलेज।
फोटो
All right.
मैम से
So-
पूछो, इसमें तो नहीं है, देखो नीचे उन्होंने रख दिया कागज।
Which photo stat?
यही इसका करा के लाया नहीं है।
This?
क्लास से कुछ बच्चों को ऐड कर दीजिए।
This. ये है तो? I have already added.
चलो
ओके मैम।
चलो करने।
Okay. So we are going to have a debate. BCA versus BCom. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So the topic was
Topic was, has social media taken over our leisure time?
all right. So everybody is ready now.
It's कहाँ पे?
Shall we start? How many of you are for the motion?
I am for the motion.
Okay. Rest.
Ma'am, I'll be against the motion.
All right. Then who else is there? Okay. So shall we start? Shall we start the debate?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes or no? BCA ready?
Yes, ma'am.
BCom? Yes, BCom is ready or not?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So start. Start speaking. Who is going to start?
ये पर्सनल मीटिंग आईडी है ना ऊपर, ये हर बार
यही
शो
है।
करती है।
हाँ
मीटिंग आईडी
बताइए बताइए जल्दी से।
1 2 4
Ma'am, I'm speaking against the motion, and I don't think that social media has taken our leisure time. And first of
Okay.
all, I would like to specify कि there are categories of social media, and मैं मतलब ये कह रहा हूँ कि हमें सिर्फ फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप के अराउंड में डिबेट को नहीं रखनी है। तो मेजरली जो the different types of social media means there are some kind which involves people to getting together on a work or on a project like GitHub and all, and there are some informative type social media like Wikipedia, and there are some which are which allow us to share blogs and micro blogs like Twitter and e-blogger and all. And there are some like Facebook and Instagram which allows us to share our pictures, videos, and all this kind of stuff. So apart from last category, most of people rely on these sources to get information and to stay updated. And nowadays it is a part of our life now, so we can't live without them. I'm done here. You can add up your points or you can counter it.
Okay, Khusagar. I want to tell all of you about XDA developers. There is a website known as XDA developers. People post blogs on it, and every phone's software need to register their software before giving it into mobile to the XDA developer. So all developers and people can see it, remove their bugs and all the thing. So we can get major information from this, and all type of leaks like information bugs can be removed from this place. I have done. Ma'am, it wasn't debate or group discussion.
It's a debate. What happened?
plus 830.
Oh, where is BCom? Only BCA is speaking.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Ma'am, I'm in favor of social media as it act as a positive implication for the people living in developing country. As I feel like social media allow to have a contact with our friends and family. And it's depend on one person how is utilizing it or it in best way or in worst way. I feel through social media, people. Hello. Social media give voice to the people to fight for the things they believe in, and to keep their points in front of the people. And it also keep people safe and allowed to create movement of what we actually think is right or wrong.
For the motion or against the motion?
Aditya, how can you
हाँ
say social media save people?
What?
हेलो प्रवेश.
यहाँ
हाँ
बीकॉम वर्सेस
Yes,
बीसीए हो रहा है. यहाँ बीकॉम वर्सेस बीकॉम नहीं हो रहा है.
नहीं,
ओके
बीकॉम
ओके
वर्सेस बीसीए नहीं हो रहा है. इंडिविजुअल अपने परसेप्शन के ऊपर है. आपको जो साइड प्रेफर है आप वो साइड ले सकते हो.
ओके ओके, चलो आप पूछ सकते हो. पूछो.
हेलो आदित्य.
हाँ
Tell
या
us,
प्रवेश.
you say, how can
Yes, Veera, I am in favor of social media.
no you say social media save people, how?
Save it allows to हम लोग अपनी बातों को रख सकते हैं और हम लोग ये अपनी बातों को रख सकते हैं और फाइट कर सकते हैं of what
but
we
but
believe.
but also it breaks relationship between two persons and others.
It's
If you want to,
exceptions. Yeah.
What do you say?
Hello. हेलो प्रवेश, क्या बोल
Yeah.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Hello.
हाँ बोलो.
अरे कुछ तो बोलो.
Hello Aditya.
बोलो भाई, कब से सुन रहे हैं?
because
बोलो.
because of social media. Hello. Because of social media, people don't meet physically with each other.
वो sorry.
But it save lot of time for people. If you want to send
And
message, then
also and also
then
it
it is
breaks
a good.
our relationship.
Where everything has positive and negative aspect. I have added in this one person can choose how to utilize social media in its best way or on worst or.
But 90% choose on their worst because multiple studies have shown that there is unlimited use of social media. Like
Yeah,
people
yeah, yeah.
wake up and people wake up in the morning, they'll not go to brush or to go to toilet first, but they'll open their phone to check the Instagram or Snapchat or Facebook or Twitter platform, like
What's
to
up?
see the attractiveness or active peoples around, like they are no involved with their surrounding, their family
And
or
also
their anything.
it,
They are just involved in what is happening in social media or what is happening in outside world within the phone, within the mobile phone. So how can you say if people have different 90% have are using or are going through worst of social media? Okay, so you just can't say
How
कि
can you predict that it is 90%? Like,
Bro,
it is
in
seen.
every
It
home.
70,
if even
75%.
even the
Worldwide
example I've
75%.
given, you must be doing that only.
yeah.
Like
No,
you you complete.
no, you.
Tell me, Aditya, what do you want to say?
75% है यार, 90% नहीं है.
अरे
I
यार
am
ठीक
not
है.
accurately saying कि भाई हाँ 90% ही है. I'm just having like कि जितने worst हैं उससे कई कम तुम्हें जो तुमने बोला अभी कि like कि everybody have their own perception of social media या जो भी, उसमें ज्यादा worst ही है.
So it's their choice if they want to stay updated from their surrounding and from what's happening in the world. So what's wrong in it? If they
It's taking
check Twitter, then
the topic is social media is taking our leisure time. Okay, so I'm just
Yeah,
telling कि
but-
people are normally involved. ज्यादातर वो लोग social media पे ही हैं. उन्हें free time मिले ना मिले, they are regularly active on social media.
but
हाँ,
things are
बस एक
changing
दूसरे
now,
से
and
create करने.
social media is a part of our leisure time now. People
But
like
also
to
it
spend
damages,
their
na,
time on
bro.
social media and stay connected with people.
You can look now on, but we are talking to each other through social media also. Or look, इसके advantage भी तो देखो.
Yeah,
Bro,
I am. मैं
advantage
देख
is
रही हूँ.
good, but also
अरे देख, एडवांटेज क्या, ब्लॉगिंग करो, पर हर कोई तो ब्लॉगिंग करता नहीं है, कुछ करते हैं और सब तो वेस्ट करते हैं ना टाइम. मोबाइल पर एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हो, वो भी पर्सनल में, वो तो टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो ना.
Okay, so the word
अगर
is
वो बात
about
कंस्ट्रक्टिव है
attractiveness.
और
Some
अगर वो
people
बात
tell
think
me one thing, bro.
okay.
some people think social media is good and some think it is bad. Whatever you might think, social media is here to stay and will take up more and more of our leisure time.
या
Yes.
See, one guy said that means his statement was that if अगर मतलब दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं, they are wasting their time. So it's not like that. If that
जैसे कि
Bro,
मेन
it's
टॉपिक,
not
if
wasting
the
your
center
time.
of if the center of discussion is the constructive or the conclusion of that discussion is productive, then how can that talk be the wastage of time?
अब दूसरे की बुराई करोगे तो वो वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम नहीं है.
अरे
जैसे कि मैं
bro, this
If
is
you
not
are
way.
अगर तुम दूसरों की बुराई करो, that doesn't mean कि सब दूसरों की बुराई कर रहे हैं.
नहीं,
Yeah.
जैसे कि बहुत लोग तो वेस्ट करते हैं ना, ऐसा हर किसी का नहीं है.
वीरे ऐसा लगता है, तो आपको ऐसा लगता है.
But the human nature is about attractive and commenting. I'm not talking about social media. When we wear clothes, so because we look attractive, so we go on social media to look attractive, to get attraction. And about commenting, we comment, oh, he's looking so beautiful. Oh, he's so handsome. So same on social media. There is nothing different.
Where instead of doing these all stuff, you can take updates from the news and you can go through what's going on daily basis.
That you can go without social media also. Okay.
You can go on money control or newspaper and news channel.
You can have
be,
different
you
apps
can
for
get,
that.
also get
Bro. It's social media is good, but sometimes he
बोलो.
अबे बोलो भाई, बोलो कुछ तो बोलो.
हेलो,
हाँ हाँ.
आवाज आ रही है?
More than your informations like updates and all, there is a lot of stuff like I mean wastage of time, you can say, like memes and all. I'm talking about overall rumors and matlab तुम्हें अगर if you want to take like कि updates के लिए ही हो, so you can have different apps, you can have different, you can also check it on Google or anything else without going to social media. So how can you say कि like कि you are only to get updates, this is very helpful. Updates से
अब
ज़्यादा तो वहाँ पे rumors हैं.
इंस्टा रील से अब तुम क्या सीखोगे? कुछ ही तो नॉलेजेबल चीज तो बस कुछ ही आएंगे ना, और सब तो मीम्स और फनी के लिए रहेगा.
When
तुम
I
USP
started
वहाँ
this,
पे
when I take initiative in this debate, I said that there are different types of social media, and my motive
Yeah,
to
yeah.
say stay updated, and that it was not only Instagram and Twitter. There are blogs and there are
but all the people are
Wikipedia is
not
also
doing
a social media.
all the people are not doing blogging or they are doing work on
Bro,
Wikipedia.
all the people
But
not
people
use
are
it, not
not
that
using
app.
it as their
Only
advantages.
few,
What you want to
few,
say,
but
people not uses that app.
सब कोई ब्लॉग नहीं
Rajan,
यूज करता है.
as you talked about Instagram Reel, I know many of the videos are not like that and useless, but
मैंने
it's
पढ़ने
also
वालों को नहीं कहा, बस उन लोगों को कहा जो वेस्ट है, जैसे मीम्स और ये सब टाइम तो वेस्ट.
but it also provide इस एक skillful
is
और
कि-
एक ये स्टेज प्रोवाइड करता है लोग अपने टैलेंट शो करने के लिए.
Yeah,
नहीं तो
exactly.
Social
talent-
Do you know
media
about income
involves
of memers?
social media
Do you
also
have any?
involves people getting together to work on a project. I think Wikipedia is an example of social media.
All these things are the tools. They are not. They should not. It should not be blamed. Like social media, softwares and app, the creators and developers created it for a positive reason, not to that people are distracted and when they are distracted from their
There
work
are
and their
so
studies.
many other
They lack
websites
in
that allow people to share content such as pictures, articles, video, and YouTube is also most well-known website of this.
We
it
are not
depends
blaming
upon
it.
a
It's
person.
about the people, how they use these apps. They don't
Yeah,
use
so
this for
we should
their
blame people.
advantage.
We
They
should not
also
blame
use
social
this
media.
these apps
People are
in
using
best way and positive way,
अरे
and
bro,
and
people
show their
use
But they are
talents.
not
social
using,
media
na.
properly
So we can't blame
hour
tool
and
for
hour.
it. If any person is murdering a, if any person is stabbing a knife to another person, then we should not blame the knife. We should blame the person.
So who are the person? We are the person, na?
we
People
other
are we.
person,
Yeah.
if you want to, you make gadget not make you.
Metropole says Facebook wastes most time, but Facebook is made for submitting the assignments. Any one of you have seen the social media? It was a movie of Mark Zuckerberg. Facebook name was the Facebook, not the Facebook. The Facebook, THE, was added, and when it is gone to more colleges, then these are things what were removed. So it added for a good way, not a wrong way.
मुझे भी नहीं
फेसबुक
समझ
जो
में.
बनाया गया था उसका नाम पहले द फेसबुक था, और उसे कॉलेज में ताकि सभी बच्चे अपने घर से असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर सके टीचर्स को, उसके लिए बनाया गया था.
भाई मैं तो
आई हैव
नहीं
सेड
करता,
दिस.
मुझे नहीं है. मैं
yes.
तो फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप
It
पे
is
और
not.
इंस्टा पे
It is not how it started. It is all about how it is going on. कैसे क्या चल रहा है. और Facebook is like the most used social media app in all over the world. And currently it is seen that the total time spent on social media is matlab beats the time spent eating and drinking and grooming. Like people have forgotten everything other than social media. They are busy scrolling, posting, liking, commenting. तुम दिन भर अपडेट ले रहे हो.
and memes.
This is
memes
also
का
found. Rajan, let me complete. This is also found that most of the house parents are stressed or depressed just because of their I mean बच्चों की वजह से कि they are always involved on phone. No matter कि वो पढ़ रहे हैं कि क्या कर रहे हैं, but they are involved. And it is also seen कि they are mostly working on social medias or any other platform, not only for studying but also wasting time, and like पता ही नहीं चलता कि time कब से कब. Even I am saying this because I also do.
And also it damaging our health.
ब्रेन सेल्स एंड आई लेंस भी डैमेज करता है.
Yeah.
Who told you like all the parents are like it? My parents don't tell me like because I watch the good stuff like
मेरे
good.
पापा तो दिन भर
Parents are not watching what you are watching. Okay.
Yeah.
Parents
मूर्ख बना देते हैं.
Bro, parents not every time to see you.
I'm sure you have heard of Facebook and Twitter. There is a good chance that you
But-
use them in your leisure time.
Twitter is better than Facebook
These
and WhatsApp.
websites are the most
Rajan बोल लेने
popular
दो उसे.
social media websites. Then how can you say that
तो बोलो.
बोलने दो यार उसे.
क्या प्रभे.
नेटवर्क
प्रॉब्लम होगा.
हाँ नेटवर्क इशू होगा.
हो जाएगा नेटवर्क ही चला जाएगा.
नहीं बोलेगी क्या वैसे.
Hello. Hello guys, as you all are blaming social media for
मतलब कोई भी चीज बनता है उसके दो एस्पेक्ट जरूर होते हैं, नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव. और ये तुम्हारे पे है कि तुम कैसे उसको यूज कर रहे हो.
Hello, bro. Social media is good.
सोशल मीडिया में देखो, ट्विटर यूज करो और व्हाट्सएप, इंस्टा और फेसबुक यूज करो.
So
ट्विटर इन तीनों से बेटर
in
है.
2020,
हाँ 2020 खेलने चले गए. गुड.
क्या कर रहे हो?
Okay, so since I was listening to you all about whatever you stated about social media, the cause and pros, so
Yeah.
the topic, has social media taken over our leisure time, is not about blaming the social media. It's how it is acting upon us. So as I said, I am against the notion I'm sorry that
माइक
I
बंद कर
am
लो
for
सब.
the
सब
notion.
माइक बंद कर लो.
Bro,
ओए, सब माइक
everyone,
बंद कर लो. हाँ इसको बोलने दो. माइक बंद करो सब.
वो भी बंद कर दो.
अरे तुम बोलो, हम लोग माइक
As
बैकग्राउंड साउंड आ रहा है.
as I said that yes, social media is taking our leisure time. What is leisure time? Leisure time is something जिसको हिंदी में हम लोग कहते हैं फुर्सत का समय, the free time that you utilize. So before social media was came into existence, that is like Kushag said that social media consists of many things like Wikipedia, the something developing करके कुछ आशुतोष ने बोला था, I don't remember very well. And then the Twitter, the social networking sites, है ना. So it's before it was in it came into existence. How did people used to invest their times? They used to read books, go outside, meet people personally, and they had good thinking ability. They used to invest these times in something productive. But nowadays, since these things have come into existence, the thinking, the intellectual power of people is decreasing.
They were more creative also. Like
Yes.
they were getting the topic, they used to think on it, not go on Google and search it out and write it down.
Yes,
No.
yes, exactly. So
But every
earlier
time
when
don't use na.
when things
If you
were given
want
to
to
people.
use,
Please let me complete,
कर
then
ले
you can
यार
put your point. So earlier, when people used to get something, the jobs were done. They were done manually, and people used to use their mind. Now people usually go to social media, they search everything, and then write. So and coming to the leisure point of view, earlier people used to go and meet people, but nowadays this social media has created that gap between people, that we simply, if we feel like talking to anyone, we just simply video call, we simply message them. That connection, that communication thing is lacking. So that most of the people, they are afraid of talking to someone in person. Or and one more thing about the wastage of time social media is doing, that as someone mentioned, that when we wake up, we instead of
Yes.
doing something else, we go to the phone to see, to check the updates, what has happened. Nowadays people are interested in what is happening to other person's life rather than ourselves. So these are the problems that we are facing, has social the problems that social media has caused to us. So it is definitely wasting our time, that precious time this life
no,
has
no,
given us.
it's
Please,
not a
it is
wasting.
not just for
In,
existence,
in,
we
These
have
are
to
Mahima,
live.
these are not wastage, and these are not things
hello.
which
In Corona
these
cases,
are change.
everyone.
एक बात बताऊं, सुनो,
Hello. In
तुम लोग
Corona
एआई का
cases, every.
एआई का नाम सुने हो? एआई, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस।
Intelligence.
या ब्रो सुने बोलो।
हाँ, जो कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज में होता है, ठीक।
हाँ
तुम और कंप्यूटर हमें क्या दिखाता है? अगर मान लो कि तुम इंस्टा या फेसबुक चला रहे हो या यूट्यूब ही चला रहे हो, वो तुम्हारे इंटरेस्ट की ही बात शो करता है ना, जो जिसमें तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट हो, कहीं ना कहीं उसको उसके बारे में सर्च की हो।
Cookies.
That's not AI, that is
तो सुनो,
algorithm. वो सारे
That is cookies.
एल्गोरिदम, क्योंकि वो एआई सिस्टम पे ही बेस्ड है, जाके कहीं देखना, एआई सिस्टम पे पूरा बेस्ड है। अगर वो
That is
तुम्हें
not
वो
AI
algorithm
system,
बोलते हैं,
that is
and
the
that
algorithm, the
algorithm
cookie
is
policy.
ओके,
yeah,
ठीक
their
है।
algorithm
हेलो
is what he
वो
see
सही कह रहा है, वो एआई है। हाँ भाई,
हाँ,
आगे बोलो।
या ब्रो
hold on
you are right.
तो
हाँ,
सेम वही
see
बात है ना,
but that
कि वो अगर मार्केट में कोई सामान लेने जाओगे तो तुम पहले तुम्हें जो अट्रैक्टिव लगेगा उसी को खरीदोगे। तो इंस्टा, ये क्या कहते हैं, सोशल मीडिया भी सेम वैसे ही काम करता है। अगर तुम्हें तुम्हारा जिसमें इंटरेस्ट है, सेम वही चीज अगर दिखाएगा तो तुम उसको ओपन करोगे जरूर। और अगर एक बार ओपन किए तो दोबारा जरूर ओपन करोगे उसे देखने के लिए। और अगर वही बार बार होता रहा तो तुम्हारे इंटेलिजेंस जो तुम चाहते हो, अगर सोशल मीडिया पे वही दिखा रहा है तो तुम्हारा तो इंटरेस्ट लगेगा ही उसमें टाइम वेस्ट करने में। सोशल मीडिया यही वर्क कर रहा है, तुम्हारा वेस्ट करने में टाइम, तुम्हारे इंटरेस्ट पे वो फोकस करता है।
ऑब्वियसली अगर आप कुछ अच्छा देखना चाहोगे तो ऑब्वियसली आपको अच्छा कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट दिखाएगा।
अगर मान लो कि मैंने सर्च किया एलॉन मास्क का, ठीक, मैंने गूगल पे एक दिन सर्च किया, मुझे उस दिन से डेली उसके बारे में हर जगह पे आता है, व्हाट्सएप पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे एंड फेसबुक पे एंड ट्विटर पे। सेम एलॉन मास्क का ही हमेशा वो आता है, उसी के बारे में आएगा हर चीज, जो भी अगर मुझे शो होगा तो हर
so
प्लेटफॉर्म पे।
what's wrong in that? You are get what you want, that what you want, तुम्हें उसके बारे में अपडेट्स अपने आप ही मिल जा रहे हैं।
हाँ, अपडेट अपने आप ही मिल जाते हैं, नोटिफिकेशन तक चले जाते हैं
So
गूगल से।
that's the pro of the
Automatic.
social media and all these algorithm. We do not need to increase all
हाँ,
this,
तो अगर
include
मेरा
all these
इंटरेस्ट है,
points here.
मेरा अगर इंटरेस्ट है उसके
Bro,
बारे में
if you
जानने के लिए,
want,
मैंने काम के लिए सर्च किया था, पर अब तो डेली आ रहा है तो मैं उस पर टाइम वेस्ट कर देता हूँ, 1-2 सेकंड उसको खोल के देख लेता हूँ कि वो है क्या, अगर उसके बारे
राजन,
में
it's not about wasting your time. तुम्हें उसके बारे में पता तो चलेगा, you will get knowledge only.
Okay, Rajan, from next
What
time.
will we do with extra knowledge? We should spend that, we should gain that extra knowledge from books also, from surroundings, from like, we just can't get knowledge from social media.
Books are not
social
day to
media,
day
hello,
updated.
bro, social media provide many things. Like if you want,
अब सुनो, अब अगर मैंने उस पे गूगल पे हेडफोन, मैंने बस उसको एग्जांपल लिया था, और अगर मैंने देखो गूगल पे हेडफोन या कोई भी प्रोडक्ट सर्च किया,
चलो
तो
तुम्हारा हेडफोन हो गया।
फ्लिपकार्ट या अमेजोन
वो
या कोई
कुकी पॉलिसी है यार, you can
Wait.
easily
Let me answer it.
deselect कर सकते हो तुम।
AI पूरा है वो।
Wait.
उसको AI
From
नहीं
next time.
बोलते हैं भाई, उसको एल्गोरिदम
Please.
बोलते हैं।
ब्रदर
उसको
ब्रदर
एआई बोलते हैं मेरे भाई, एआई है।
बोल
तुम
दो।
कॉल पे
AI
भी
है।
किसी चीज की बात करोगे तो वो तुम्हें उससे रिलेटेड फैक्ट्स दिखाएगा। तुम
वही
गलत
Yeah,
समझ रहे हो।
Rajan, you are right,
वो
bro.
एल्गोरिथम
एल्गोरिदम होता है।
ब्रदर
एल्गोरिथम एक
खुशाक
ऐप
ब्रदर
में काम करता है। एआई ऑल ओवर योर फोन काम करता है। तुम किसी ऐप में
हाँ
कुछ
हाँ
करते हो तो दूसरी ऐप में भी उसके रिलेटेड दिखाता है। वो एआई है। एल्गोरिथम
हाँ।
दो ऐप्स का लिंक
तो
नहीं है
मुझे
कि
मुझे
एल्गोरिथम
बताओ
को
कि
तुम
उन
कह रहे हो।
फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम के पास कौन सी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस आ गई है?
खुशाक खुशाक खुशाक
तुम्हारे
भाई तुम्हें आइडिया है फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम का मार्केट कितना बड़ा है?
खुशाक
फेसबुक और
डिबेट
इंस्टाग्राम
उस चीज पे है ही नहीं
अकेले की
यार
वजह से
गाइस
ट्रम्प को प्रेसिडेंट बना दिया था। तुम्हें आइडिया नहीं है।
गाइस डिबेट उस चीज पे नहीं है। आप लोग क्यों जा रहे हो कि वो एआई के एल्गोरिथम है? लीव इट प्लीज।
नहीं तो ये भी कंफर्म करो, इसका मैटर है, जुड़ा हुआ है, लिंक तो है ही, सोशल मीडिया से लिंक है।
And also, people's marriage through social media in Corona cases.
आई थिंक स्टार्ट करना चाहिए हमें। आ गए हैं लगभग सारे लोग।
Yeah, bro, start.
Okay, let me start. You have said whenever you search headphone or anything, it comes to the notification.
देखो
For
हेडफोन और वो एग्जांपल में दे रहा था, वैसे
okay,
रियली
okay, I accept it was an example. Let me complete.
Yeah.
Anything else? So I have said anything else or anything else you have searched,
yeah.
come to the notification. So for next time, whenever you are going to search anything, firstly turn on the incognito mode.
Huh?
Incognito mode on करके search करना।
इनकॉग्निटो मोड
तो
में सर्च करोगे,
notification-
कुकी सेव नहीं होंगी एंड फिर तुम्हारे पे नोटिफिकेशंस नहीं आएंगे।
तो हर बार तो करना जरूरी नहीं है ना। अगर ट्विटर पे मैंने सर्च किया तो उसको अब हर जगह पे इनऑर्गेनाइज मोड
Bro, you log in that.
चलना
मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि एआई जो है वो पूरा तुम्हारे इंटरेस्ट पे बेस करता है, और अगर इंटरेस्ट पे ही बेस करते हैं तो सोशल मीडिया पे तुम्हारी इंटरेस्ट वाली ही चीज दिखाती है, इसीलिए तुम लोग टाइम वेस्ट करते हो। तुम लोग का पता नहीं, मेरा तो है, मैं तो करता हूँ।
That mean you were searching मतलब फालतू की चीजें सर्च कर रहे हो।
नहीं फालतू की चीजें क्या, अगर हेडफोन सर्च किया मैंने अगर किसी पे गूगल पे, ठीक, तो वो मेरे इंस्टा पे और
तो
फेसबुक
वो
पे
तुम्हारे लिए हेल्पफुल हुआ ना, क्योंकि वो तुमको चाहिए वो।
तुमने
तो
हेडफोन सर्च
हेडफोन
किया,
तुमको अच्छे से अच्छे तुमको
भाई
अच्छे से
कितना
अच्छे
हेडफोन लूंगा,
दिखाएगा।
सेटिस्फेक्शन जब मिल गई एक ही हेडफोन से तो कहे
Ma'am,
Why are we running out of the topic? Please, it was like social media has taken our leisure time. It is not of headphone and notification, please. Rajan, stop your
Anushka,
example. It was not.
Rajan only say example.
Anushka,
खा जाओ तुम लोग, सब लोग मिल के खा जाओ।
Yes.
ma'am,
क्या
तो
खिलाओ बताओ, आ जाएंगे।
हम लोग की कम्युनिकेशन के लिए
social
क्या
media-
possible है?
सोशल मीडिया स्पेंडिंग, सी व्हाट पीपल यूज्ड टू डू अर्लियर कि वो हेलो
हाँ
बोलो
बोलो।
भाई।
ओके मेरे माइक पे ग्रीन नहीं हो रहा था, कोई नहीं। So what people used to do earlier कि they came from office and school and they sit on the front of TV and they used to watch
With
news
family.
channels and TV channels. So what we get on social media is control and freedom. The thing which we want to see, we will only see what we follow. We will not see कूड़ा कचड़ा जो कि हमें टीवी पे देखने को मिलता है। हम उस पे सिर्फ चैनल स्विच करते हैं।
कचरा में
Wait, कूड़ा कचड़ा भी you choose only ना? It's your choice of what you watch.
In television also there is choice, like not as social media,
Yeah,
but there is
if you
choice.
want to,
If you are watching Kuda Kachra, then only you will get Kuda Kachra.
Yeah, so all the
you
news
want to
channels are
comedy
कूड़ा कचरा
show.
क्योंकि they are all the puppet of government
डोरेमोन।
and we get freedom
Bro,
of speech
bro.
on social media
If you want to see
where we
comedian
can
show
say and
also,
express whatever we like.
Okay, what is the use of that?
Mota bhai wants to know your location.
You cannot go and stand in front of parliament and say that no, I don't like this farm bill. Like अभी जो protest चल रहे हैं वो हम अपने घर से ही बैठ के उनको support कर सकते हैं with videos and with Twitter and with hashtags.
क्यों वहां पे जाके क्यों नहीं कर सकते हो? घर से बैठ के भी करने की क्या जरूरत, वहां जाके करो।
वहां जाके
वहां सर जाने
about
कहाँ दे
Corona?
रहे हैं,
वहां
कहाँ
जाने की
पढ़
किसी
रहे
की
हो,
जरूरत नहीं है।
What about
क्या
Corona?
नहीं है,
फार्मर्स
वहां जाने
कोर-
कहाँ दे रहे हैं, वहां
कोरोना
तो
कब होता है?
बैरिकेडिंग कर दी।
सिर्फ
कोरोना का क्या भाई में
वो
होता
जा रहा है,
अरे कोई
वहां
एक
जाने
बोलो
की
बे
जरूरत
भाई,
है,
टॉपिक
वो
कोई
कहाँ
एक
लेके
बोलो
जा
ना।
रहे हो यार?
टॉपिक का बदल रहे हो यार, प्रोटेस्ट
तुम भाभी हम एक ही जगह चले गए टॉपिक को।
इंस्टाग्राम, अरे इंस्टाग्राम करे सोशल
दूसरी चीज
मीडिया।
यूथ हो तुम,
हाँ
तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो, पर नहीं करोगे ना, क्योंकि हमारे
You
पास
have
एक आदत
power.
बन जाती है कि हम कोई भी चीज
भैया
ट्विटर
तुम
पे
कहाँ
पोस्ट कर
न्यूज
देते हैं।
देख रहे हो, पहले हमको ये बताओ, तुम साइट
ये
देखे हो
तो यार
वहाँ,
भाई।
वहाँ
He
फालतू
just
नहीं
want to
जाने
say,
दे रहे,
wait,
तुम कहाँ से
Ankur,
जाओगे बे,
wait.
क्या
He
बात
is
कर
just
रहे हो
saying
भाई।
that we are dependent on the mobile phones. We are not using our mind.
अरे I am using my mind. The last time I uploaded a picture was 2 years back. So how can I believe in what you are
Yeah, but
saying? It's up to
everyone
you
is not
now how
like
you
you.
use something.
And some
But
are there
everyone
who
is
are
not like
uploading,
you.
who are uploading daily.
You
What about them?
हाँ तो you can't blame Mark Zuckerberg for everything ना. He
तो
is
उसको
doing
कहाँ
what he is
ब्लेम
doing
कर
is
रहे
he
हैं?
is feeling.
अंकुर
तो
अंकुर अंकुर
No one is
तुम
blaming. We are
तुम
just saying
लोग
about
कहना क्या चाह
people.
रहे हो तुम
या फीफा
पहले
जो
Bro,
यूज
clear हो,
it's
तुम पहले खुद
bro
में क्लियर
fully
हो, तुम
depends
बोलना
on
क्या चाह
people,
रहे हो।
bro.
नथिंग।
Fully
भैया हम
depends
तो
on people.
क्लियर
If you
ही हैं,
want,
तुम
ये
क्या
आप पे
बोल
ब्रो
रहे हो,
कोड
तुम
मत लाओ प्रवेश।
कहाँ से तुम न्यूज देख के आए हो सर, हमको ये बताओ। तुम बोले कि साइट पे चले जाओ, तुम्हें वो करना है तो फेवर करना है उनको, तो उनके साथ रहना, तो तुम साइट पे जाओगे कैसे, मेरे को ये बताओ।
नहीं देखो, तुम्हें बहुत दुख है,
हाँ
हम
दिखाओ।
मान सकते हैं, ठीक है, तुम्हें बहुत ज्यादा दुख है,
नहीं
तुम
हमें
फार्मर
हमें
प्रोटेस्ट कर
दुख
रहे हैं,
नहीं है,
ये कर
हमें
रहे हैं, वो
बस
कर रहे हैं।
सर
एग्जाम्पल
आप
दे रहा
इतना
है यार।
बताइए कि आप कहाँ से जा रहे थे साइट पे,
bro,
कौन से
रोड
रास्ते,
से
if
हमें
you
जा
भी
रहे
ले
want
थे
to
चलिए।
vote in
साइड
any,
पे।
हैं
करना क्या है, हंगामा या करना है कि सोशल मीडिया पे बात करना है?
Okay, so let's get back to social media topic.
वही तो।
How many of you like video game playing? Just tell me. Like GTA 5, Vice City, or Call of Duty, or any of game
PUBG,
like PUBG.
PUBG.
Yeah, I do.
Everyone
Free
loves it.
Fire.
Just tell me, and it is out of social media, and how many hours you waste on it? Even leaving of studies. I know many of them. So
2 to
social
3
media is
hours.
better than it.
भाई हर चीज बेटर है, ठीक, सोशल मीडिया, पबजी, गेमिंग, हर चीज बेटर है, पर उसको लिमिट में यूज करो ना। दवा भी बेटर है, पर अगर ओवर एक्सचेंज कर दिए तो वो नुकसान हर जगह करेगा। दारू भी सही होता है, पर ज्यादा कर लिया तो नुकसान करता है। अबे हंसो क्या, सही एग्जांपल है। तो सोशल मीडिया
क्या
भी
ब्रो,
सही
you
है,
right.
अगर उसका यूज, अगर सही यूज करोगे तो सही है। अब उसके फालतू यूज करोगे तो सही नहीं है वो।
Exactly. That why I straightforward compared it with television. That there you get only few channels of daily show and
टेली
few movies and
वैसे
few
तो
news and
At least, okay, at
वैसे तो
least we
टेलीग्राम
can,
पे क्या
एक मिनट राजन, at least we can sit with our family members or our loved ones and watch any movie or television and can spend time.
Who is Ankur? अंकुर,
जल्दी से लिखो पहले एप्लीकेशन, तब तक वो आएगा फिर वो लिखना पड़ेगा।
मैं यहीं पे था, चला
मैम
गया।
चला गया।
हाँ
चला
अभी
गया।
I
continue,
left the meeting. I think
continue,
same
continue.
voice I heard in BA when मतलब BA और BA वालों के साथ जब हम लोग की डिबेट हुई थी, तो I think he was also there.
Continue, continue. All right. Ma'am, blue से black select करें. Spelling.
Anushka. I
Yes,
think
so I
you
was
were.
saying that we can spend, we can watch movie or we can watch television with our family members and can spend our leisure time with them. But on social media, we can't do the same. We can have our points of views. We can have freedom to speak or type or tell everything, but we just can't celebrate or can say entertain with our family members. Okay.
Okay,
मैम
so what
कम्युनिकेशन
about
क्लास चल रही है हम लोगों की.
This happen when you are close to them, but what when you are
Why
not
you are not close to your family members?
but
You don't
what
want to spend time with them?
but you are not with them if you are living in another city,
You
then
हर
what?
कोई
must
के
have
साथ नहीं
friends.
हो रही है.
You
It's
must
allowed
have
to have a
people
contact
around.
with your family and friends. It's
What?
it's helps you to have a contact in with your friends and family.
No,
मॉरल
that is another
सेटिस्फेक्शन
thing.
मिलता है यार, बस और
You-
कुछ नहीं. मॉरल सेटिस्फेक्शन बस मिलता है और
See,
कुछ नहीं.
the topic is how it is wasting our time. है ना? The free
देसी
time.
जाओ.
The benefits we also can see that if we are away from our family,
हाँ,
then
बेनिफिट.
it is the best way to communicate. But
Why
about the free time, what do you do when you are free?
look, why we all go to social media to find leisure to find some happiness or some sort of if we don't find in our physical life or physical world.
all the people are two types of people in social media: contact and connection. You heard?
यार देखो, अगर तुमको फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में वो हैप्पीनेस और वो नहीं मिले तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है तुम सोशल मीडिया पे जाओगे ना.
See, exactly. You are disappointed by the reality that you go to a fake scenario which is not even real. You see the perfect life of other people, and you somehow feel sad, that inferior feeling that how their life is so perfect and why my life is not that much good.
Yes,
Everyone gets
yes,
that
some people
feeling.
start comparing.
Yes, everyone gets that feeling. It's quite natural. So instead of facing the reality,
And
you
what
go
you
to,
see, that's also not the real.
yes, that perfect
Yeah.
life the person on social media is cherishing is not true. So you are instead wasting your time instead of utilizing that thing.
See, if you have any passion or if you have any skill, then it can be enhanced very easily and very influentially by following your role models and other people who are excel in that field, like singers and photographers, other artists are
bloggers
there.
and YouTubers.
And
Yeah,
you can
you can
also
get all
make
of them on
and you can
Instagram and
also make
YouTube and Twitter.
reach and you can also make reach to many of the peoples around the globe.
Okay, so you suppose you upload a video you created and it gets very
Okay.
few like, you get
Okay.
disheartened. No, you get
That
disheartened.
doesn't mean, see,
No, हम लोग और
We
वो
can
हो
try
सकते हैं,
to make
मोटिवेट हो
better
सकते
them.
हैं. We will be more motivated that we should work more harder.
What if we get
This is
demotivated कि भाई like
depend
ही नहीं
upon our
आया,
Bro,
अपने को नहीं
Aditya,
करना.
what you
तो
want to say?
भाई ये तो उसका दिक्कत है ना, उसको इट्स अ प्रोसेस. पहले उसको समझना चाहिए कि ये चीज कैसे बढ़ती है.
Hi friends.
किसी
यार
भाई
कोई नहीं स्टार्ट कर. ये देखो
ये कौन था बे राजन?
जो भी अरे अपने
सिद्रा सिंह।
क्लास की है.
हम लोगों
सिद्धा
की
सिंह।
कम्युनिकेशन क्लास स्टार्ट हो गई क्या?
श्रद्धा सिंह।
हाँ 3 बज गया.
भैया लोग के साथ होगी ना.
हम लोग
Yeah, the communication class is on process going
Okay.
on.
कोई नहीं लेट करते.
बहुत
Okay.
late हो
So
गया.
any other points?
We are going to meet tomorrow, all right?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Bye, ma'am.